EFCC don gbab former governor for Imo State, Senator Okorocha, for im Abuja residence. Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) don tok say the former governor plan with one All Progressive Congress APC member and 5 other companies to tifitifi 2.9 billion public money. They come file 70 count charge against Okorocha for January 24, 2022 under Honorable Justice Nyangeko for Federal High Court Abuja, and attempts to put am for trial twice make e come talk how e take carry the money waka no work sake of e no show face. For the last adjournment for March 28, 2022, Justice Ekwo come adjourn am go May 30. Come sama warning say dat na the last adjournment when he go grant for the matter. Say EFCC no get another option than to go bond Okorocha make e come face in trial. The operatives come show face for the house wey tanda for number 3 Yansa Close off Otaro Crescent for Maitama, Abuja around 12 p.m. on Tuesday, May 24. Sake of Okorocha no gree honor the invitations when the commission don knack am plenty times. Say nobody go comot till dem bring out the former governor. Okorocha come yarn 3 people inside him house say EFCC don hold am prisoner for him house. Dem no get anyone around to take gbab am and dem no allow am go for him screening. Say he no sabi wetin dey shele inside him compound.
Not been able to go out, and there are policemen and EFCC all over my compound, and my gate is blocked with their car. And all I'm asking for now is that could they please allow me to go for my screening? I have screening going on right now with all the presidential aspirants. My election comes up on Sunday, and if I'm not allowed to go for this screening, I might miss it. I'm not an unknown person. I have address. People know me in Nigeria. All it takes for EFCC to send an invitation, and I'll gladly oblige. But as I speak to you now, I've requested for any arrest warrant, any order of court. None seem to be available. Any invitation, and none have not been invited, and I refuse to go. But my lawyer has addressed them, and they're saying that they have instruction from above to come and get me. So I don't know whether this is an arrest or an invitation. But if it's an invitation, it's simply a letter or a word or phone call, and I'll be there. This barrage of policemen and creating some kind of trauma to members of my family is not the best way to go. I want to kindly appeal to the EFCC to allow me to go for my screening, and whatever the above means, to please allow me to go for my screening and do my election. The EFCC had also said that they're taking me to court, but they took me to court. I'm still waiting for to be served. I've not been served. And I have a series of court orders and judgments right even before I left office because of this envisaged what is happening now. So, quite frankly, the situation here is quite ugly, and it doesn't give the best of image to everyone concerned. I think I should be allowed to go for my screening, and if I go for my screening, that'll be good. I won't run away, and I can present myself anytime. I don't know what's the urgency of the matter that I'm going to run away. I think there's something really, but whatever it is, I'm waiting. I'm told they have remobilized, and they will soon forcefully get themselves into my house and possibly my bedroom to whisk me away and to get me arrested. That also, I'm waiting to see what they do with that.
After plenty hours when EFCC don tanda for him compound, they come begin fire gun and tear gas to drive group of women wey come dey sing for front of him house and tori people. Okorocha come begin cry say dem dey try to break the bulletproof doors for the house. EFCC come fit break enter im roof and POP ceiling, enter inside the house, go gbab Okorocha exactly 6:48 p.m. on Tuesday evening.
EFCC is here with some gunmen that have broken all my bulletproof doors, and the landlord hitting now. They just want to, I don't know what they want to do. This is my last appearance. I don't know what they probably can hear the noise behind. They want to come and shoot. And so, If there's anybody out there that can call for help,
Mama, can you tell Uche to share the
please let them call for help. The EFCC is currently trying to break in. They don't have any warrant of arrest. The lawyers had asked them for warrant of arrest. They don't have, so they're trying to break into the house now.
Operatives of EFCC broke inside, see the damage. Damage some properties before whisking Okorocha away. This is his door that was broken by operatives of the EFCC. This is right. The POP that was damaged. Okay. This one was damaged by operatives. Okay, they entered.
Yeah, they entered through here then.
Okay. They said the operative of the EFCC entered through the roof. They damaged this part of the roof before whisking away. This is we're at the bedroom of Senator Okorocha. Okay.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.